Hi, I'm going to show you today the VsionAir lighting camera and toolbar rig. Now it comes in three versions. It comes in a 1 meter wide, a 1.2 meter wide and a 1.5 meter wide. The 1 meter wide has a solid top bar. The 1.2 meter has two 600mm V-frame bars that are connected using two of the black slot brackets here. If you go for the 1.5 meter, it uses three of these brackets and they go on the top, back and bottom typically. The system is all adjustable via the use of these two brackets here. There are four in total, two for the top and two for the base, and they are connected via flange screws and half nuts. The flange screws and half nuts go into the base, and then the bolts with the nylon nut and the adjustable knob go into the verticals, and then those are for the bottom section. And for the top section, the flange screws with half nuts go in the top. This is a right, so that goes on that side, and then the adjusters go in the outriggers, the 300mm outriggers. Those are connected via another two black slots which fit in the V-frame that way for this and that way for this one, and that's mirrored. The whole thing is connected to your desktop via a 90-degree angle using a flange screw and a half nut, and they go in like so. You tighten them up and then you screw them down directly to your desktop. Now we don't supply the screws for these because we don't know what you're going to be screwing them into, lengths and thicknesses and so on, so we leave that to you guys to be able to select and use your own screws. Okay, when you are positioning the bracket on the table, remember that you can slide, if you're using the desk mount, you can slide it in and out. So put this in a place where when you slide it, it isn't going to fall out at the end of the bracket and put pressure on all the rest of the connections. To finish off the assembly, there are two final 90-degree brackets. These go at the front of the V-frame, which is connected to the desk and fastens the toolbar to the lighting camera rig. If I just pan across now, you can see the horizontal toolbar to the desk mount stand. So that finishes off the assembly. If I zoom in, if I can zoom in a bit more, I can't, but you see them there. This concludes the lighting camera toolbar rig. I hope you found it useful. If you have, please like, subscribe, and if you want to know about any future videos that we're going to be doing, like some of the jigs that we're working on, currently you may have had a hint of one that's already there behind me, please hit the notification button. The bell, I believe it is. Not being very techie on YouTube, but I believe that's the one. I hope you found it useful. Please, if you have any questions, please feel free to email. Go on the website VsionAir.com, that's VSION air.com, and we're more than happy to help in any way that we can. Thank you for watching.